All right, guys. The way we can kill these diseases, eliminate some of these diseases, knock them out before they even get started, is starting with our mind, starting with our mindset, starting with our hearts to decide to just do a mindset change. And how do we do that? It starts in that kitchen, right? And so the video that you're about to see or that you saw that's somewhere around here is those are oats. And so it's refrigerated oats. And so it has the oats, the almond milks, the chia seeds, the chia seeds, the peanut butter, the vanilla body melt protein, Greek yogurt, and granola. So that's what's all in that video. And so I don't want to make the video too long, but I do want to give you a little bit of benefits of some of the stuff, right? And so why oats so beneficial? It reduces your cholesterol levels. It increased your fullness. It increased the growth of good bacteria in your GI tract. That's so important. Almond milk. Vitamin D, which is good for our bones. Okay. It's a good source of vitamin E, which helps protect our bodies from free radicals. People have heard that for years. Like, I know I used to hear that. I'm like, what the heck is a free radical? I don't want no free radicals rolling around in my body. What is it? Okay. And so, it took me a long time, but I finally learned what it is. So I'm going to say it because some of y'all might not know like me. Okay. And so you don't want free radicals rolling all up in your body, because what happens is that it allows cancers to grow, inflammation, joint disease to grow, your bones to degenerate, Alzheimer's, dementia, asthma, diabetes. And so those are the things that we don't want rolling around in our bodies, right? So we don't want free radicals roaming around, right? Chia seeds. I don't know if it's chia or chia seeds. And so these seeds are super amazing. I just learned about these seeds, okay? And so they're good for your heart. They help reduce cholesterol as well, and they promote your intestinal health, guys. And I don't know about y'all men, but as far as we always be like, oh, our stomach hurt, because we have to eat with our heart and with our minds and not with our eyes, so we can take care of our gut. And so, guys, it's a simple little recipe. It's something simple that you can put together. You and your family can take on a go and eat, keep you full longer, and it's just great for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and follow for more healthy tips.